Can you tell us more about your relationship with OnFinality and how that benefits builders in Bifrost?
Yeah, so how we came about to knowing OnFinality was quite clear because you're pretty much the leader in terms of infrastructure, right? You're providing key infrastructure to the majority of Polkadot and Kusama parachains. So that was sort of a no-brainer in terms of when we wanted to strategically work with someone on that front. In terms of how we're currently using OnFinality, our services use OnFinality API from the DApp perspective and on the staking liquidity protocol data indexing side. And there's a number of benefits that we're clearly sort of really fortunate for on that front. I think it's always a question of mandating outsourced parties who have the expertise, allowing us to build and to do things that we're sort of focusing on. It's obviously helped us mitigating sort of the barriers of entries in terms of sharing Node API. And we've been able to sort of save costs on the infrastructure side, but also on the Node expansion side, which has been sort of really valuable. And I think in terms of the scalability has actually been really, really sort of key on that front as well, and redundancy in terms of outsourcing that and having an efficient process taking place. And on my end, where I had sort of more of on the strategy side, I think there's been key valuable insights as well on the data front in terms of the queries and stuff, where I can sort of take a step back and look at who's creating the platform, the DApp, and then sort of relate that to my strategy and to things I'm doing going forward for Bifrost.